Hello everyone, welcome back to Trampoline Workout Dude. And today's gonna be our very first trampoline workout. This trampoline workout gonna be for beginners, so please stay tuned to see the video. Hello everyone, so before we begin our trampoline workout, let's go ahead and warm our body up. So we're gonna do something very simple. We're gonna march in place for 1 minute. Okay, and begin. Simple march in place. Just getting our blood pumping. Follow along, but just marching in place. All right, 30 seconds left. You always want to get that blood pumping. You always want to make sure you warm up. You don't want no injuries. This is a trampoline workout for beginners, so it shouldn't be too hard and not too easy. It's going to be between 10 to 12 minutes workout, and I hope you enjoy it. All right. So keep marching, keep marching. So, the first exercise is going to be jumping jacks. All right. And begin. So 1 minute jumping jacks. Now we want to do a 30-second rest. Make sure you keep jumping, okay? Do a 30-second rest. And begin. Now we're going to pretend like we're jumping the rope for 30 seconds. You always want to make sure you're moving, so we're jumping the rope. Okay? Always want to keep your body moving. This is our rest. So we're jumping the rope. Okay? See how I'm moving my arms around in circular motion? I'm pushing down with the front of my feet, so it's not. Okay, keep jumping. Now we're gonna do high knees for 1 minute. And begin. There you go. Pushing down with the front of your feet, okay? Trampoline workouts. It's a low impact exercises. They say 10 minutes of jumping on a trampoline is equivalent to doing a 30-minute jogging. Okay. 30 more seconds to go. High knees. Get those legs up as far as you can. You got this. Come on. Come on. Okay. So we're going to reset and go back to jumping rope for 30 seconds. This is where we get our rest in. Okay. Keep jumping rope. 30 seconds, let you jump and roll. You're having fun, okay? So you can actually work out and have fun at the same time, if it's possible. Okay, jump and rope. Make sure you push it down in front of your feet. Okay, our 30-second rest is up. Next exercise we're gonna do is gonna be side to side bunny hops for 1 minute. Okay, and begin. Come on, there you go. Keep it up. Side to side. There you go, side to side. 30 seconds left. There you go. You want to always make sure you're still moving, okay? All right. Keep jumping, keep jumping. So let's reset back to our jump rope. 30-second rest and begin. We jump and roll. Okay? Just jump and roll. Imagine you have a jump rope in your hand, just jumping. Okay? Pushing down. To my feet, in front of my feet. Okay. All right. Now we just got done. Jump and rope, 30-second rest is up. Then we're gonna reset. Now we're gonna do like we're skiing, okay? Just take a look, we're skiing like so, okay? We're gonna do that for 1 minute. And begin. You're skiing down the mountain, okay? Just skiing. There you go. There you go. 1 minute. There you go. Just imagine you out there on the mountain top skiing. Now I do apologize if you see my feet like somehow not coordinated. I gotta work on my coordination, but yeah, we're skiing, yeah. Going down the slopes, the slippery slope. You're almost there. 14 more seconds to go. 14 more seconds to go. All right, keep jumping. All right, 30 seconds, reset, break, and jump rope. Jump and rope. There you go, 30-second jump and rope. Okay. You're having fun right here, right? Ooh, burn a little sweat. It's also a great way to build endurance and stamina. You know, plus it's just fun to jump on a trampoline. So you jump and roll. Okay. All right. So 30 seconds are up. Now we're gonna go ahead and jog in place. Jog in place. Come on. Got this. Jog in place. Jog in place. There you go. Whew. Like you ran a marathon, but just in a slower pace. Let's get that heart rate up. There you go. There you go. If you like this video, it'll be amazing if you can like and subscribe to Trampoline Workout Dude YouTube channel. That will be amazing. jogging in place. Make sure you move those arms up and down, squeezing your core. Okay, almost done. 7 seconds to go. Okay, keep jumping, don't stop. Okay, now we're gonna reset and go back to jump roping. The 30-second rest time, and begin, jump rope. Jump rope, make sure you jump and rope. Okay, 30-second jump. Ooh, I'm going a little sweat here. Okay, 10 more seconds to go. Then we're gonna move on. Next exercise will be twisting arms. Let's get prepared, y'all. Okay. All right, 30-second rest. It's done. Reset. Stop. Reset. All right. Now we're going to the next exercise. We're going to go on. We're twisting our arms like that, okay? Legs out. Twist, okay? And begin. 1 minute. Up. There you go. Follow along. Come on. There you go. There you go. Make sure your arms are twisting. I know you feel it because I feel it already. Okay. 20 more seconds left. All right, let's go. Let's get it in. Come on. There you go. All right. You got this. All right. Keep jumping the place. Don't stop. All right. Then we're gonna do 30 seconds jump rope because this is our break. We're gonna keep moving and begin. Jump rope. Some people may say skipping rope. I say jump rope. Catch it. Put some little bounce in there. You can go higher. You want to add a little challenge to yourself. All right. So, last exercise. This time we're gonna run in place. We jogged in place. Now we're gonna run in place to a moderate speed for 1 minute. If you wanna jog back in place, you can jog, but just try to ramp it up a bit, burn some more calories, and begin. Keep running. There you go. You're chasing someone. Someone just stole your wallet, all right? You have all your money in there. You got your ID card, you got your money. You want to get that purse. Come here. Come here, get back here. Woo. You ain't getting away with my wallet. Come on. Or you got goals in your life. You don't want to quit. Keep going. You didn't let that burglar get away, did you? 15 more seconds to go, come on. He's 5 meters away from you. Woo. There you go. All right. All right, 30-second rest. Big jump rope. Woo. Now you're gonna jump rope. Let's jump rope, come on. All right, the last exercise. Come on, guys, you got this. Okay. 10 more seconds. Then we're gonna go direct to a cool down. 1 minute cool down after this. Whew. All right, so now we're gonna do a cool down for 1 minute. We're gonna march in place. And begin. All right. We're just cooling our body down. Inhale with your nose. Exhale out your mouth. Now this was totally a beginner trampoline workout. I hope you guys like this. If you can like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I will be gladly and motivated to continue on making these videos for you guys and gals. And 10 more seconds. Come on. March. Push it. Keep moving. There you go. Keep doing it. Here you go. Oh, you just did it. All right, thank you. Stay tuned. Once again, like and subscribe at Trampoline Workout Dude YouTube channel. Until next time.